Cook to perfection with this thermometer. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Meter Plus wireless smart thermometer. This smart thermometer will ensure that you cook to the proper temperatures. It can be used in the oven, grilling, and smokers. The app has some neat features that will provide alerts and notifications. The company sent this out for me to review. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and give it a thumbs up as well. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a quick start guide. This is the new version, the Meter Plus, which extends the distance up to 165 feet. You can use your Wi-Fi and monitor on the go with the Meter Cloud. It also can connect to Alexa. The Meter Plus has this wooden base station which is used for charging and also acts as a repeater for the signal. It has a stylish wooden construction all around. The thermometer is held in place very well. The button on the right side will give you a status on the battery life that is used to charge the thermometer. The back has a battery compartment which takes one AAA battery. And it also has the magnets on the top and bottom so you can mount it on a metal surface for storage. The thermometer is solid and light. It takes internal and ambient temperatures of what you are cooking. The top has a sensor for ambient temperature, and the probe itself will take the internal temp. Sensor has a max temp of 212 Fahrenheit and the ambient temperature of 527 degrees Fahrenheit. The thermometer comes in at just over 5 inches in length. To get started, download the Meter app. Launch the app and follow the on-screen instructions. It gives an overview of the thermometer on the first few screens. And then it will prompt you to tap the green icon to pair the meter. Make sure the meter is not on the charging base station. It is also recommended to charge the thermometer for at least 2 hours before pairing it. And there you see it connecting and pairing to the thermometer. You will get a few more prompts for the cloud and Alexa options, which I will skip. Once connected, the dashboard will show the meter. Just tap it and you can choose what you want to cook or have custom settings. Here I'm going to choose beef and then select ribeye. And then you can see the various cooking options with the beef ribeye. So let's test it out on a ribeye. Insert the thermometer on the thickest part of the meat and make sure that you insert it past the line on the thermometer. The app will register the internal temperature along with the ambient and the target. Here I'm going to select beef, ribeye, and then I will select well done. It will begin to estimate the cooking time, and you can see the target internal temp of 165. Now it's showing about 22 minutes to complete that process. After 22 minutes, the app alerts to remove it from the heat. Internal temperature has reached 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Ambient temp of over 322 degrees. It then goes to a resting period, and the internal temperature continues to increase during this time as well. And the target temperature has been met. After the resting period, it will alert you that it is ready. The sounds can be modified in the settings. Now let's see how the ribeye turned out. There you have it, a ribeye cooked to perfection. The Meter Plus Smart Wireless Thermometer. I'm very impressed with this device. The app is very simple to use and it gives you great insight on the progress of what you're cooking. The ribeye turned out well and it cooked to temp. There's no more guessing with cooking times and temperatures in the kitchen with this device. It can be used for many cooking situations, from grilling, in the oven, and smoking. This is a must-have in my opinion for those that love to cook. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.